Hi guys, we're here again and I'm doing a bit more cutting in terms of the braces. Just making some more here, so I thought I'd show you it again if you've not already seen it in the other video. So what we do is create a 45-degree angle like so. And then just line that off. Do the same over here. Line that off. 45-degree angle we're after. And then just cut the sections off to create our angled braces. So ladies and gentlemen, here we have one cut, another one cut, another one cut, and number 4. So we will have 8 braces in total, but I just wanted to show you the cutting process, and then when we've got time we'll install these. Next part will be to sand these down a little bit, as it's not completely square. So the pond, that is the pond pergola roof we've built, it's not completely square. So I will need to modify these slightly. When the screws and the bolts arrive, let's get to it. Hello guys, I'm just going to show you something quickly here regarding some equipment that I've bought off Amazon, and some of this gear has come from China. And I just want to show you the differences in basic things such as screws. So I was looking for some black screws, and obviously you can see I've got some here. So this is M4 screws. I think this is I think these are 25mm long and these are 30, and these are M5 screws. And obviously I bought a quantity of these brackets here. So I just wanted to show you this bracket here and show you the differences between screw sizes. And if you're buying stuff that are made in China, they don't get things right half of the time and they don't fit. So here is M5 screw. Let's just put that on there, and as you can see there, it doesn't sit properly. It's sticking out and it's the wrong size, so that's no good. Here is a M4 screw. It doesn't seem to fit correctly either. We put that in there. As you can see, it sits flush, yes, but as you can see, hopefully you can see that in the video, there's a bit of room movement there. It's a few mil out, so this isn't really an M4 screw. Now, I quite often buy screws from B&Q, a local hardware store, and this is an M4, and this particular one's 40mm long. I'll probably get something a bit shorter for this purpose, but I just wanted to show you. Right, so here we have an M4 screw from B&Q. As you can see, it fits there really nicely, and there's not much play in it. And if we go there, you can see it's pretty much flush. Hopefully you can see that. So that actually fits properly. And this is the difference when you buy stuff that's made in China. Either it's poor quality, don't fit right, and you end up sending it back because it's no good. Yes, I wanted screws that were black as well to match this bracket that we're going to attach onto the cross sections of the pergola. But unfortunately it didn't quite fit. So I'm going to have to get some smaller versions of this, and maybe I'll just paint the tops of it because you won't notice it when it's screwed in. And I think we'll leave it at that. But I just wanted to show you the difference between British made stuff and Chinese made stuff. It's not, just because it's a bit cheaper doesn't mean it's going to be good to last. Sometimes buying cheap can be a big mistake. So I just wanted to do a quick video just to talk about cheap products that you buy that are made in China. They just don't fit, and I have doubts whether these would be strong enough over a period of time as well. I've had experience with metal components from China in the past, and they do have a habit of snapping and breaking quite easily because they use low grade quality steel. It's not high grade British steel. So I just wanted to show you the difference in sizes. I believe this bracket was made in China as well, but hopefully that'll be strong enough. But as for the screws, I have no confidence. I'll give you a little story. I had a motorbike, one of those cheap 125 Jinlun motorcycles. I had to replace all the bolts that were made in China with UK ones because they just kept shearing off. So I just wanted to show you my issues regarding the screws. Hopefully this video was informative. If you're interested in the B&Q make, it's called Dial, and they do all sorts of different types of screws as well, ranging from stainless steel, zinc coated, brass obviously, and non-coated screws as well. So well, this video was quite informative on screws. I know it's not that interesting, this video. I appreciate this is not an interesting subject matter, screws, but I thought it'd be informative to tell you about a little issue I had with these Chinese made screws. They just don't fit properly. These screws here, in this pack here, these smaller ones, were supposed to be M4s, and to be honest with you, I think they're closer to M3.5s. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let's get on with the rest of the video. So, just thought I'd show you what I've got here. I've got some paint. This is a multi-purpose matte black paint. Here are the brackets that we've got, and here I've actually got hold of some screws. Incidentally, it's been really difficult to get hold of screws because they've been sold out everywhere. These are stainless steel screws. Instead of using those cheap nasty black ones from China, what I'll do is I'll just slot that in there and paint the top of it black so it matches. And these are 3 centimeters long. These are M4 screws, which are high quality. Incidentally, I managed to get hold of 200 in this box from B&Q for about £8, which was £2 cheaper than just one of those bags of black screws that I got, and there's twice the quantity. So, lesson learned: if you want to buy quality, go to a local supplier and get yourself some decent quality, because everything I have purchased off Amazon or eBay has been poor quality from China. So, you know, just remember to buy local and get quality. Hello guys, I thought I'd just show you the state of my garden. My God, it's cold today. Look at all this ice and this slush in the pond. Look at that, that's slush. And have a look at the pergola as it stands. We've got ice on the top. Fortunately, it seems to all stayed in place due to that storm we've just had, but I thought I'd show you how it's looking. So let's have a look at the small pond, see how that's doing. Well, that's really full up, isn't it? So I just wanted to show you why I haven't done much work in the garden, because the weather has been atrocious. So I just thought I'd show you how it's looking out here. Lots of water coming off the pergola, as you can see. Okay, I'll leave it there, but I just wanted to show you what's going on at the moment. So today it's Saturday and it's really cold, and I don't have the bolts to finish off bits of work, so I thought I'll just show you what it's looking like at the moment. Yeah, not very nice today. Right, I've got two long bolts here, one's 150 and one's 160, and unfortunately, as you saw before, I need a longer one so it protrudes through the wood like so, because the 150mm, taking into account, doesn't quite go long enough when we have the piece of wood. So we've got a longer bolt that's taken a while to turn up, so without further ado, let's put that on. See, that's one. So as you can see, that's quite flush across the main beam. I'm going to have to do something slightly different for the cross front face beam. Hi guys, so you've seen me cut these braces that were to support on there like so. Unfortunately, because I've put this on the front of the post, I can't do that anymore. So what I'll have to do is something like this, where I'll have to put a bolt through there, securing the brace here and screwing there as well, and do it like that, unfortunately. In hindsight, I would have liked to have had this flush on the post, but then again, if you do that, you are weakening the post as well. So maybe it works out better doing it like this anyway. I don't know about that, but hopefully the front piece here looks alright, and we should be able to put our other section back on, which would go like that, back on there, like so. And that should slot back on, like so on there. Right, there you go. So we've got our front piece on there, going across, and I'll put a brace going behind there. I just wanted to show you what I'm doing here. So further back you can see my cross front piece there, which has been bolted in. Just wanted to give you an idea where I'm at the moment. So it's getting a bit dark now, so I'll leave it there, but I just wanted to show you where I just want to show you where more or less I am at the moment with the pergola.